The topic we are going to discuss about is chemical equilibrium. The subtopic is common ion effect. The common ion effect is defined as the suppression of ionization of a weak electrolyte by adding a common ion from outside. So, common ion effect finds its applications in the purification of NaCl. Sodium chloride fully ionized होता है solution में. It ionizes as sodium plus and chloride negative. KC for this is products over reactant. इसमें हम ऐड करते हैं HCl और HCl भी fully ionized होता है into H plus और Cl negative. अब जब आप HCl को पास करते हैं through NaCl, क्लोराइड की कंसेंट्रेशन ज्यादा हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से NaCl crystallize आउट होना शुरू हो जाता है. So we get NaCl in sodium form. इस तरह से आप NaCl की प्योरिफिकेशन करते हैं. Next application is the precipitation of radicals of second group. The dissociation of weak acid H2S in water can be suppressed by the addition of stronger acid, that is HCl. Low concentration of S2 will develop. अब H2S जो है वो डिसॉल्व होता है into 2H positive और S2 negative में. क्योंकि ये weak acid है तो ये fully ionized नहीं होगा. इसमें आप ऐड करोगे HCl जो कि fully ionized होता है. H plus की concentration ज़्यादा होना शुरू हो जाएगी. This low concentration helps to do precipitation of radicals of group 2. Next is group reagent for third group radicals. An addition of ammonium chloride in ammonium hydroxide solution suppresses the concentration of OH negative due to excess of ammonium ion from NH4Cl. क्योंकि NH4Cl is an electrolyte है तो ये fully dissociate होके NH4 की concentration को ज़्यादा कर देगा. So this combination is used as group reagent for third group basic radicals. Next, we have the qualitative analysis. It is also used for the qualitative analysis and preparation of buffers. Let's see a practice MCQ. Ionization of KClO3 is suppressed by increasing temperature, adding KCl, adding NaNO3, decreasing temperature. By adding KCl, we can suppress the ionization of KClO3. So this was all about the common ion effect. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.